Hi, so for this video, I want to go over the Unit 7 constructed response. So here's an example. So you've got a water tank and you've got water coming out of it. So the drainage rate would be the same, but we've got this information over here. We have this table. Okay, so you're going to have to figure out if it's geometric or arithmetic. Okay, so if these numbers are adding or subtracting the same number, it's going to be arithmetic. And if they're multiplying, it's going to be geometric. Okay, so for this example, we know it's exponential. Okay, so exponential tells us that it's multiplying. So just like I said, since it's exponential, that means it is geometric. Okay, so this example is geometric because it's multiplying by 2/5 every time. And to find that, your rate is going to be the second term divided by the first term. So you can do this with any of them. So the 88 divided by 220 should be the same as 220 divided by 550, which is going to be 2/5. Okay? All right, so write the recursive formula. So the recursive formula is where you use the one before. So if you're trying to write, let's say you're trying to write the second term, then you would take 550 and multiply it by 2/5 to get the next one. So it's going to be the number before, a sub n minus 1, times 2/5. Okay? So it's going to be the one before multiplied by 2/5. So that is your recursive formula. So next you're going to write the explicit formula, and that's just like writing the exponential formula. And you do have these formulas in your notes. Okay, you do have these formulas in your notes if you need them. So the explicit formula is going to be the first term, which is a sub 1, times the common ratio raised to the n minus 1. So in this case, it's 550 times 2/5 raised to the n minus 1, which is what I have over here. All right, and last, or not last, you're going to use the explicit formula to solve for after 7 hours, okay? So let's say 7 hours, plug that in for n, and in this case we get 2.25, so that rounds to about 2 liters, so you're going to round your answer to the nearest liter. So that means about 2 liters. And then the last part is where you're going to convert my final answer into milliliters. So milliliters, so there's 1,000 milliliters and 1 liter. So take your 2 liters times 1,000, you get 2,000 milliliters. All right, that's all, folks. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget, I'll be in Atlanta for a couple of days, but I will try to answer my email. Okay, so again, let me know if you have any questions.